What is plant cell? A plant cell is the basic structural and functional unit of plants. It is eukaryotic, meaning it has a membrane-bound nucleus and organelles. Here is a detailed explanation of the plant cell and its components. 1. Cell wall, structure, a rigid, outermost layer made of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin. Function, provides structural support, protection, and helps maintain cell shape. It also prevents overexpansion when water enters the cell. 2. Plasma membrane, structure, a semi-permeable lipid bilayer beneath the cell wall. Function, regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell and helps in communication between cells. 3. Nucleus, structure, enclosed by the nuclear envelope with pores. Contains chromatin, DNA proteins, and a nucleolus. Function, controls cellular activities by regulating gene expression and stores genetic material. DNA. 4. Cytoplasm, structure, jelly-like fluid filling the cell, containing organelles and cytoskeleton. Function, site of metabolic activities and provides a medium for organelles to remain suspended. 5. Chloroplasts, structure, double membrane organelles with internal thylakoid membranes arranged in stacks, grana, and stroma. Fluid. Function, conduct photosynthesis by converting light energy into glucose and oxygen using chlorophyll. 6. Vacuole, structure, large, central vacuole, surrounded by a membrane, tonoplast, filled with cell sap, water, enzymes, ions, and waste. Function, stores nutrients and waste products, maintains turgor pressure, and supports the cell. 7. Mitochondria, structure, double membrane organelles with inner folds, cristae, and a fluid matrix. Function, produces energy, ATP, through cellular respiration. 8. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER, structure, a network of membranous tubules and sacs. 2 types, rough ER, studded with ribosomes, smooth ER, lacks ribosomes. Function, rough ER, protein synthesis and modification, smooth ER, lipid synthesis and detoxification. 9. Golgi apparatus, structure, stacks of flattened, membrane-bound sacs, cisternae. Function, modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for secretion or delivery to other organelles. 10. Ribosomes, structure, small, non-membrane-bound organelles made of RNA and proteins, found free in the cytoplasm or attached to the rough ER. Function, synthesize proteins. 11. Plastids, structure, double-membrane organelles, including chloroplasts, chromoplasts, and leucoplasts. Function, store pigments, starch, or other substances